Hello guys, welcome back to your English class. Today I'm going to explain you how do you answer the exercises from your student's book and your workbook. First of all, you need to open your book on page 35 and 36, and today we're going to check unit 17 that it's called I'm going to travel. The first part says objectives. Talk about actions that are planned and will happen in the near future. Now we have to complete exercise 17.3. Complete the sentences using the correct form of going to with the verb in parentheses. Now, we have in this case 10 sentences, and you have to use the verb in brackets in your sentences. But what is be going to? We have the structure, subject pronoun, I, he, she, it, we, you, they, the verb to be, is, or depending on the subject, the phrase going to, the verb in simple form study, and the complement. For example, English this weekend. We have she's going to travel to US, or it is going to rain tonight. Okay, now in this part we're going to read the sentences, and you have to try to complete the next ones. I'm going to help you with number 3. It says I verb to be, I am going to celebrate my birthday. Again, I am going to celebrate my birthday with my family. Number 4, he verb to be is, he is going to buy, the verb buy, he is going to buy a new car next year. He is going to buy a new car next year. And number 5, you what? You are going to work. You are going to work this weekend. You are going to work this weekend. Okay, please check the rest. You have to complete 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and it's the first part. Now, in the next page, exercise 17.7, we have write the sentences using the verbs from the list. Use the clues. You have example, the subject you, and the complement next month. We have the sentence, you are going to travel next month. Okay, now in number 1, I have subject I tomorrow. Maybe I can say I'm going to dance tomorrow. I'm going to dance, the verb dance. I'm going to dance tomorrow. Or number 2, he is going to work tonight. He is going to work tonight. Okay, you have to complete the next. Now, on exercise 17.8, you have used the verbs to complete the sentences using going to. Now, we have 8 verbs: write, play, drive, call, sing, read, celebrate, travel. Now, next to the verbs, we have the sentences. What are you gonna do? You need to complete the phrases using the topic going to and the verb that is next to. For example, I'm going to help you with number 3. It says Robert is, because it's he, Robert is going to drive. Robert is going to drive his car to school today. Robert is going to drive his car to school today. Number 4, Kelly is going to call her best friend in the morning. Kelly is going to call her best friend in the morning. And number 5, sing. The band is singular, is going to sing all their hits tomorrow. The band is going to sing all their hits tomorrow. Okay, now please you have to check the next ones and complete the rest, please. Okay, and finally, from your workbook, you have exercise 17.9. Cheryl and Ray are going on a business trip next week. Write what they are going to do. We have you have the subject and the verb, but you have to use going to in your sentences. Okay, now I'm going to help you with number 3. It says Ray, it's he. Ray is going to make a presentation. Ray is going to make a presentation. Number 4, both are going to attend a conference. Both are going to attend a conference. And number 5, Cheryl is going to shopping. Cheryl is going to shopping. Okay, and you have to complete please 6, 7, and 8. That's all about your student's book. Now, what about your workbook? You have to complete exercise 17.4. It's page number 87. So we have the instruction. Find the mistakes and circle them and write the correct sentence. Now you have 5 sentences. And what is the idea? You need to circle the error in each sentence and rewrite the sentence in the correct way. For example, in number 3 we have she is go to begin at the middle section. Okay, now what is the mistake? Go, because the phrase is going to. She is going to begin at the midsection. She is going to begin at the midsection. And number 4, they is going to look for some spices. Now, what is the mistake? Is, because is it's singular and they it's plural, so we have to write they are going to look for some spices. They are going to look for some spices. Okay, now you have to complete exercise 5 by you. Now on exercise 17.5 you have the sentences. Unscramble the words and write the sentences correctly. Okay, now what are you gonna do? You need to order the words in the correct order and make sentences into going to. Now pay attention, you can't delete a word or you can add a word. You need to use these words that you have. Okay, now I'm going to help you with the number 3. We have number 3. The waiter is going to bring the check soon, maybe. The waiter is going to bring the check. The waiter is going to bring the check soon. Okay, and number 4. Here we have the mother is going to pick up Lola at the airport. The mother is going to pick up Lola at the airport if you want. Okay, and that's all about. You have to complete exercise 5. Okay, and finally on page 88, exercise 17.6, you have how many they are? They are 10 sentences. Now you have multiple choice, A, B, C, A, B, C. What are you gonna do? You need to choose what is the correct option in each sentence. For example, in number 3, number 4. 4 are going to be good lawyers. Now, what is the correct subject? They, Sue, I. In this case, you have the verb to be are. Okay, you have are in your sentence. Have to be plural, so the correct option is A. They are going to be lawyers. Number 5. My sister is going in, going to, going at. What is the correct? Obviously, going to. My dad is going to come home tonight. And number 6. We is, we, I, we are. What is the correct? Obviously, are. We are going to write the monthly report. Okay, please guys, you have to complete the rest. And don't forget to take the pictures when you finish your activities from your student's book and your workbook, and don't forget to add your name on your activities. It's very important that you have to write your names on your activities. I have to see, is it your book or it isn't your book. Please don't forget to write your name, sorry. And thank you. That's all about for me. I hope that you're well. Thank you so much for your attention, and that's all. See you soon. Bye bye.